Hi, everybody. Joe Adamson, personal lines manager here at Purves Associates, and I wanted to talk about a couple of key points to prevent a policy from canceling for non-payment. Something that has, in the past, we've been able to help with against the insurance companies, and it's now growing increasingly difficult to help as the insurance companies are tightening down on their underwriting guidelines and requirements when it comes to the billing process. If on your auto or on your home, if you're doing direct payments, we strongly encourage you to set up a reoccurring EFT through your checking or a reoccurring credit card if you have the capability. This helps ensure that your bill is going to be paid on time. If you decide that you prefer a bill payout of your checking account, say Wells Fargo, and you're gonna send that through the check through that bill pay process, we're strongly encouraging folks to set that up to go out to, if you can help it, 3 weeks in advance. And the reason why is it can take 5, 7, or 10 business days for the bank institution to process that check and send it in the mail. And when it goes out in the mail, we've experienced that it actually doesn't come with a postmark, which the insurance companies would honor. With no postmark, if it shows up late after the due date, the policy will cancel for non-payment. We've had conversations with clients who said, well, what happened to the grace period? The grace period, unfortunately, is kind of a myth. There is no grace period. There are carriers that have what's called equity billing, which as you're paying each month, companies that have equity billing, which as you pay each month, allow the policy to go a little bit longer before a bill is actually due, but there is no grace period. Also might be confused with a renewal. In the past, you had 30 days to accept your renewal. Now, again, if the due date is the first of the month and that payment is not in there, that policy will expire or cancel for non-pay, and our ability to get that reinstated is almost completely eliminated at this point in this new crazy market that we're dealing with. Something else I would encourage everybody to do. All insurance companies have apps. Download the app for your smartphone device. I'm with Mercury Insurance. I get a notification many days in advance of when my bill is due. I'm on a reoccurring credit card, so I know that it's going to be taken care of, but I can monitor that and make sure that it is paid and paid on time. For your folks with home insurance or other property insurance and your escrow billed, this is very, very important. You as the primary borrower and the named insured on the insurance policy ultimately are responsible for the payment of the insurance. If the payment is mailed late or to the wrong address by the mortgage company, the insurance company does not care. That policy is late, it'll cancel for non-payment. What we encourage you guys to do is to make sure when you get your renewal in the mail that bill comes in, to check with your mortgage or your mortgage processor and make sure they received it and that funds are going to be dispersed on time. Something with the mortgagee bill is mortgage companies and or mortgage processors from time to time they'll actually change, and you would think that they would notify not only you but as well as the insurance agency or the insurance carrier, and they don't. So it's important that you're constantly reading all of that mail and updating us so that we can update your policy and stay in lockstep and make sure things are paid on a timely fashion, and that you don't actually end up getting a cancellation for non-pay.
This is just one more way that we're seeing that in this new marketplace, almost all aspects of your insurance coverage is getting tighter. Our ability to help reinstate a policy for non-payment or on a cancellation is getting tougher for us. And it's because of the same issue of carriers not wanting to write new policies in California. It's a tough market. So we put these messages out there hoping to help you avoid some problems, whether it's with the maintenance on the house or it's the way you have your billing set up. We hope that these are helpful tips that'll help you avoid a problem. But as always, please give us a call or send us an email. If you have any questions about this or anything else you can think of with your insurance coverage, reach out to us and we really would like to help you out. We appreciate your business and thank you very much.